This is an example of using Airplay, using Reflector Teacher. Open the application, Reflector Teacher, and you'll see a small window open up. This is an example on the Mac. You can see that you can edit the workstation name if you want it to be something more friendly. I'm going to go ahead and leave that as it was. Now all I need to do is Airplay to my device, and you can see here there's some options, and I can accept the incoming connection. And there you go, it's displaying the iPhone, and you can connect a number of devices at the same time too.